talking value Burgundy from Santenay. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And we're tasting some wine on the channel today. We've done a lot of non-tasting videos. And in this video, I thought it'd be good to talk to some, an area of Burgundy that is, provides some value, right? It's undervalued, it's accessible, and I think it should be on your radar. So we're talking about the region of Santenay, or the appellation of Santenay. This is a 2014 Vincent Girardin Terre d'Enfance wine. This is a White Burgundy wine. It's 100% Chardonnay, and this was something I got through Wine Spies. So this is 2014. This is not a wine that I have had in my cellar for a while, and I'm just breaking it out now. It was direct to me recently, and just was a back vintage that somehow they got a hold of, and were able to offer it up for a really good price. So Santenay, I mean, the majority of the wines are red, are Pinot Noir, and but there's still a bit of white wine produced, and I have a bit of cork in there. I did a sloppy job. Oh boy, I'll have to cut this part of the video out. All right, looks like I'll be drinking some of the cork. It is what it is. Oh man, well, this is a good one. So I've had a number of Vincent Girardin wines before, both red and white, from the Santenay Terre d'Enfance. It seems to keep coming up in some of these closeout sites and providing really good value. So for the most part, White Burgundy, unless you're getting a village wine or a generic, Burgundy, right? It's out of my budget, right? I'm not spending $55 to $200 on an everyday bottle of wine, but something like this in the mid-30s, that can be had. Normally I don't do this, but I'm going to ask you guys to hit that subscribe button if you like what you're seeing, because 90.9% of you who are watching are not subscribed, and it would really mean a lot to me if you were. There's a Joseph Drouin Macon Village wine, which is one of my favorite bargain Chardonnays that you can have for under $25, and that's for another video. Actually, it'll be featured in the next video. But let's give this one a taste. See what this brings. You can kind of see. Yes, it's white, but it's kind of light. It doesn't have a lot of that dark. There's no dark color here, and so that indicates to me that this is not really done too much time in oak. I don't know if this. We believe in neither fining or filtering his red wines, giving them minimum expression. The whites are wonderfully balanced and bursting with fruit aromas and flavors. It's definitely bursting with fruit aromas. I do get a little bit of that buttered popcorn vanilla note, so that maybe there has been some, that indicates to me there has been some oak aging here. This has much more, this has an apple and pear vibe. I am getting like a little spritz of lemon, but citrus is not the dominant aroma here. There's almost also something floral about it. This is a really, really pretty wine. Yeah, worth spending some time just kind of taking in the smell. Getting a little bit of a banana vibe, very tart. So the citrus, the apples and pears on the nose with a bit of citrus has turned into a lot of citrus with a banana undertone that kind of lives throughout the whole experience of this wine. The acidity still, I'm still tasting the wine, really nice finish. The acidity's still there. This is going to be really, really easy to drink was going to say the alcohol is not too bad on this. What is it? 13% alcohol by volume. I was going to say 12, but you know, it's very, very drinkable. You know, naturally, any sort of seafood and fish, get a roast chicken, put this on the table, you'll be thrilled. And another example of just, you know, how you can find Burgundy these days to drink without blowing 200, without having to go anywhere near 3 figures. That's about it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Cheers. It's beautiful. That cork stayed in there. I haven't consumed it yet.